Sabadans quick update video. What is happening with Bitcoin? We see Bitcoin dumped. We see Bitcoin still dumping. We see S&P 500 dumped, crashed even heavily. Why? Because of the CPI numbers, because the inflation rate numbers were revealed. And I spoke about it, guys. I spoke with you in my video, which I upload here, Bitcoin Lifetime Opportunity. I told you it, guys. Now let's see what happened. This is my Telegram group, guys. It's for free, and I wrote before I did this video. I posted it even 4 hours ago. So we saw Bitcoin has a huge week down, like expect, because of the high inflation of 8.6%. Guys, the inflation was way higher. You see here in this post, inflation, I wrote inflation accelerate further in May with price rising 8.6% for a year ago, for the fastest increase since 89, the Bureau of Labor Statistics reported Friday. So everyone was expecting that we will see or the experts were expecting that we will see a decreasing of the inflation rate. Why they expecting it? They're expecting it because in the previous month we saw the inflation number was decreasing, right? So they expected for this month, but it even increased. And this is what I mean, guys. We have to watch the bigger picture, because people getting very, very like bullish, but you have to watch the bigger market. They're still printing a lot of money. It's still a war is going on. There will coming even bigger shortage supplies, shortage on food, shortage on commodities. So guys, in my opinion, we will clearly see even a bigger crash, because this is only the start. I in one video I explained you 1920 what happened between 1920 and 1930. This is the biggest crash ever, and I expecting something similar like that, because of the supply shocks which we will have, because in China, you know, the zero COVID politic, how it called, it bring us to this, that we will not have enough chips for phones, for computer and so on. Then we will have the problems with the food, because Russia and Ukraine are the food basket of the world. They cannot export anything, Russia because of the sanction, and Ukraine because of the war, obviously, because they cannot export, because all the fields are with mines, you know, so they cannot export bread, corn, all this stuff, you know. And it will be even bigger. So in the immediate short term, yes, we can see some pumps, but in the bigger term, I expecting even a huger dump. So therefore, in my opinion, it was expected. But I told you also about it. I told you exact where we can we can go. You see, for example, here, food up 12%, gas up 50%. You see it, guys. This is what I posted in our Telegram group, Slavic Alerts. Link is down below. It's for free, this group. So it was, in my opinion, very clear. And guys, look at this, what happened with the S&P 500. I mean, this is crazy. You see, I showed you also in the futures, we saw before the market opened, I showed you already that we are seeing here, we will see a huge dump, and this is exactly what we saw. We saw a huge dump. We opened with a huge dump because of this news, right? So this is very interesting, guys. And right now, what is very interesting, in my opinion, wait, I'll make it a little bit down. What is right now very interesting, will we see here, wait a minute, I show you here, will we see here something like a W, or will we see even a breakthrough below our previous low? This is very interesting for me to see, right? So this is one thing what I'm right now watching, because if we are watching, wait a minute, I have to turn off again, because if we are watching right now on the wait a minute, I deleted. If we are watching right now on the 4 hourly, the RSI is very heavily oversold, right? But even more, we are oversold on the 15-minute time frame. You see, we are heavily oversold. This was a huge crash in the S&P 500, guys. So I'm expecting here maybe some cool down, some that we will see here some consolidation S&P 500, or some pump to retest the 15-minute EMA ribbon. This S&P 500, by the way, guys, very important, S&P 500. But we're watching it because if S&P 500 dump, Bitcoin also dump. This is what we saw. So I'm expecting here some consolidation, that we will see again some that the RSI is cooling down, so that we are getting again in the neutral here, something between 40 and 50. So I'm expecting some small pump, and therefore, if we see here in the S&P 500 some cool down, so that we see some pump, then we expecting or have to expect this also in Bitcoin, because see this huge 4-hourly candle, it's because the inflation number were higher than expected. So I told you about it, guys, and if you took here the short opportunity, congratulations to everyone. I told you here there's a short opportunity 29,500. First price tag is 1.3%, 10x average 30%, 5x leverage it's 7.5%, 7.5% approximately. And I showed you also here in our group my position. So I was $721 in profit, 15% in profit. I closed my position because I'm expecting some consolidation or some small pump. But if we are closing in 25 minutes, this 4-hourly candle, like it seems now, I expecting a further pump to the downside, because we are clearly breaking our symmetrical triangle, which we see here, right? And technically the price target of this symmetrical triangle is, wait a minute, I measure it here, a pessimistic one again for you. Technically the price target of this would be around 25,900, so around 26,000. So what I'm expecting here in the immediate short term, guys, in the immediate short term, as I see, we are, wait a minute, on 15 minutes. We are on 15 minutes, slightly oversold still. On 1 hourly, we are still oversold. And on the 4 hourly, we are also oversold. I could imagine that we see here some pump, some consolidation, or even some pump to 29,700, 29,800. So that we are a little bit cooling down, right? And after it, if we are retesting this 4 hourly EMA rib, this symmetrical triangle, and didn't break through, we are retesting, fail, and going further down. This is what I expecting in the immediate short term, because it's more likely, right? It's all about probabilities. We are in a clear downtrend, guys. So this is the probability which is much more likely than a huge pump right now, that we are breaking this line, and see a huge pump. But however, do your own research. It's not a guarantee that we are breaking down, right? So in my opinion, again, guys, in my opinion, if you are right now not in a short position, in my opinion, the next short opportunity will be if we are closing the next 4 hourly or 1 hourly candle clearly below 29,500, then we can further shorting down, which are our next price targets. So our next price target is clearly 29,000, because you see here a lot of support and resistance, 29,000. Then we have, zooming out and show you, then we have 28,600 approximately, our next price target, because we have here a lot of support and resistance, and 28,300, 28,300, because we have here a lot of support and resistance, and then obviously around 27,700, 27,500, right? This is our next price target. So this could be a short opportunity of, let me check, so 29,000, it's 1.7%, 28,600 is around 3%. Wait a minute, Blatt, where is it? Wait a minute. So then 28,300, it's 4%, and then 27,500, it's around 6.7%, 10x average 67%, 5x average 33.5%. So this could be a short opportunity. A long opportunity, in my opinion, is only there if we are breaking clearly with 1 hourly candle above our symmetrical triangle. Then we can long until the 4 hourly EMA ribbon, so to 30,100, so 1.2%. And if we're breaking above the 1 hourly, 4 hourly EMA ribbon, so it would be around 30,300. With the clear 1 hourly or 15-minute candle, we can long to 30,500. This would be our second price target. Then 31,000, and the last price target would be around 31,200. It's 4.9%, 10x average 49%, 5x average around 24.5%, right? So again, quick summary. Entry position for short, if we break with the next 1 hourly candle 29,500, or clear 15 minutes selling candle 29,500, we can short further down the price targets I told you. If we are breaking above that orange line, we can long Bitcoin to the EMA ribbon, 4 hourly EMA ribbon, which would be around 30,100. If we're breaking above 4 hourly EMA ribbon, which would be about 30,300, we can long Bitcoin to 30,500, and then to 31,000, and then to 31,200. So very clear, guys. Where we are doing this, we are doing it on Bybit, guys. On Bybit, you get right now 4,620 for free after initial deposit. Go right now, guys. Link is down below. It costs you only 30 seconds to register. And you see also down below, right now, Bybit is doing a trading competition with $8 million price pool. All you have to do is to join my team, and we have as a team make good trades so we can win the price pool. Very easy, guys. Join my team. Link is down below. Only what you need is a Bybit account and joining my team. Link is down below. You can immediately join my team. If you trade anyways for good trader, just join my team, and I'm very sure we could manage it if we make successful trades. So guys, in my opinion, very clear. If we're breaking right now further 29,500, we can short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. If we're breaking above the symmetrical triangle, so above this resistance, we can long Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and all the other altcoins. So in my opinion, very clear, guys. Please write me down below. What do you think about it? I'm very happy that, again, exactly as predicted. I hated to say it, but you know what I mean. But I'm not Nostradamus, guys. It's you have to do your own research, and after you did your own research, you have to decide you're going short, long, or just buying on spot. Anyways, you can do it on Bybit. Link is down below. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.